Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal shipping. Locate the transaction details by logging into your PayPal account and clicking on Activity at the top. Once you find the correct transaction, select Print Shipping Label to initiate the label creation process. This quick access helps streamline your shipping without needing to navigate complex menus, saving you precious time and effort. Now, provide all the necessary package details to generate your label accurately. You will need to input the exact weight, for instance, 27 ounces, and the package dimensions, such as 8 by 6 by 4 inches. Next, select your desired shipping carrier and service level, considering both speed and cost. Finally, confirm the recipient's address to ensure your package reaches its correct destination without any delays. Before finalizing your label, carefully review all the information displayed on the summary screen. Double-check the shipping address, package dimensions, and chosen service to prevent any errors. Once you are satisfied, confirm your payment method, which usually defaults to your PayPal balance or a linked bank account. Then, simply click Purchase and Print Label to generate your shipping document instantly as a downloadable PDF file. With your label printed, securely attach it to your package using clear packing tape, ensuring all edges are firmly sealed. It is crucial to make sure the barcode remains completely visible and unscanned for proper processing. You can then drop off your package at any authorized carrier location, like a post office or a UPS store, or even arrange a convenient pickup service from your home or office. Your item is now ready for its journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.